Horizon Minerals. We're undertaking one of our largest drilling programs ever as we ramp up production. More than 30,000 metres of RC and diamond drilling is being completed at Burbanks, a major high-grade gold deposit south of Coolgardie.
Burbanks is mineralised over 4.5 kilometres of strike, with historically mined grades of over 20 grams per tonne of gold. Significant potential exists to extend known mineralization at depth in order to prove up a long life mine plan. With links to grid power, sealed roads, and a granted mining lease, Burbanks is an important cornerstone asset for Horizon. Horizon controls more than 1,300 square kilometers of tenure, within 150 kilometers of our Black Swan processing plant, right in the heartland of the eastern goldfields. Large areas of our land holding have seen minimal drilling for gold, and our geology team is generating and testing targets to build our production pipeline.
Our mining operations at Barara are progressing as the plan. And we'll be reinvesting our operational cash flow back into exploration to extend the life of our current operations. In this program, we'll also be testing the Wilson's Gold anomaly, just 200 metres from the Black Swan plant, and our new Gordon's Dam acquisition, which is less than 10 kilometres from the mill.
Horizon is excited for the results and the growth ahead as we aim to become WA's next mid-tier gold producer.